Welcome to Learn Chess in Just 5 Minutes series. In this episode, and in the next few episodes, we will cover rules governing the movement of chess pieces. Let's start. King's movement is covered in this episode. And it is quite simple. A king can move only one square at a time. Let us see how king can move if it is on e4 square. King on e4 square can move to e3 square. King on e4 square can also move to d3 square. King on e4 square also has the choice of moving to d4 square. King on e4 is also given the choice of moving to d5 square. Similarly, can move to e5 square or can move to f5 square or to f4 square, and finally also has the choice of moving to f3 square.
So, the king can move to any one of the surrounding squares. When the king is on e4 square, it can move to any one of the dotted squares.
Now a question for you. If the black king is on e6 square, now answer this question. Can black king on e6 square move to e7 square? Yes. It can move to e7 square. Can the king move from e6 square to f7 square? Yes, it can move from e6 square to f7 square. Can the king move from e6 square to d5 square? Yes, it can. King has the choice of moving from e6 square to d5 square. Can the king on e6 square move to c6 square? No. It cannot move to c6 square from e6 square. King cannot move to a square which is beyond its reach. It can move to d6 but not to c6. King on e6 can move to any one of these dotted squares. Let's see one important restriction in king's movement. A king can only move to a safe square. I repeat, a king can only move to a safe square. So, what is a safe square? A safe square is a square which is only controlled by our side and not by the opponent's side.
If the white king is on e4 square and the black king is on e6 square, then what are the squares to which white king can move to?
Though the king has the choice of moving to any one of its surrounding squares, the king's movement choices are restricted due to the rule that king cannot move to unsafe square. Let's see another example to understand this point. If white king is on f4 square, then what are the movement choices available to the black king on e6 square? Can you identify the squares to which black king can move? Have you got it right? Let's check. Out of the normally available choices, squares which are marked with red X are unavailable to black king because of unsafe square restriction. The squares e5 and f5 are also controlled by white king, so they are unsafe squares. Wow! Congratulations! Now you know the rules governing the king's movement. This concludes this episode. Hope you enjoyed this episode. We will keep learning little by little through Learn Chess in Just 5 Minutes. Bye for now. See you again in another interesting episode, which is coming up soon.